I'm going to quickly show you how to connect your Pixelverse wallet to Bybit in less than 1 minute. So what you simply want to do is to click on Get Level 2, and it's going to bring you to this page, and you're going to click on Let's Go. And what you're going to do is to select the wallet you want to use. In my case, I'm going to use the Bybit. And when you click on Bybit, it's going to bring you to this page to add your deposit wallet. So I'm going to launch my Bybit, and it's going to take me to the home page of Bybit. I'm going to allow it to load up, and when it loads up, I'm going to come to deposit. And when you click on deposit, it's going to take you straight to the deposit page. And what we simply want to use here is the ERC20. Mind you, ERC20, because it is actually launched under the Ethereum network. So what I want to do is to click on the USDT ERC20 network, and it's going to load up like this and then generate our address for us. I'm going to switch back to Pixelverse. I'm going to insert the address there and then click on Made It. And you can see your wallet is connected successfully. And you're going to click on Gotcha, and it's going to bring you to this page. So guys, this is how to connect your Pixelverse wallet to Bybit. You can also do the same to other wallets. If you want to do that, you're going to come back to this page, and you're going to notice that all the tasks has been completed to level 2, and you can see the check mark out there. So guys, this is how to connect your Pixelverse to Bybit and any other wallet you want to use. This is EarningGPT. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to this channel guys to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.